Rapid Holding System's macro collet holder is compatible with ER32 Collets, ensuring precise handling for various machining tasks. With a height of only 94 millimeters, this collet holder integrates seamlessly into CNC setups, optimizing machining efficiency. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel for 120, the ER32 collet holder ensures durability in demanding machining environments. The package includes a collet, providing everything needed for immediate use. The connectivity tolerance after assembly with copper electrodes is an impressive plus or minus 0.015 millimeters, guaranteeing consistent and accurate machining results. For your EDM or CNC machining tasks, this collet holder delivers precision and reliability, whether working with small or large electrodes. Visit our website to explore the full range of high-quality EDM and CNC tools.